This one is called Inner Outer. I'm not sure if you have it. It's more of a brown type of hue.
Yeah.
Hold on, I'm just taking it out, and I want to put a little napkin towel around me.
Sure.
And so with this color, I never thought about this, but this is an amazing lip liner.
Oh, wow.
So I'm just gonna slightly outline my lip. And we're in this craze, especially on TikTok, about these like ombre lips.
Oh, I didn't know. Surprise, surprise. I'm 58. Don't know what's going on TikTok.
I don't either. And then you
But
can
that's
kind of
cool.
dab it, and then it like spreads the product in, but it gives you that ombre look.
And it makes your lips look so full. Your lips are full, but it really does accentuate the pout.
And then I started to then layer that with, you get this color out, this gold color called Real Fake.
I have that.
And then I would take a few dots, Real Fake in the middle. And again, just slightly, and like, look at this lip now.
That's incredible. And I'm just going to say this real quick. If you as a young girl did not feel absolutely gorgeous, that just makes me want to cry because you are so stunning.
Oh my God,
you are. I mean, think of all the girls that have been in that place. You know, I heard Michelle Pfeiffer talk about it. People used to make fun of her when she was young. I mean, it's such a wasted thing, you know, so it's great what you're doing.
That's so kind. Thank you.
It's so true. It's just flat out a fact.
Thank you so much.